The Schlage Encode Plus smart lock can experience issues like going offline, failing to connect to HomeKit, or becoming unresponsive after firmware updates. This video guides you through resetting your lock to resolve these problems and re-adding it to your app. As of January 2026, resetting is a common troubleshooting step, but should be a last resort. Resetting the Schlage Encode Plus clears all data and settings, returning it to factory default. This includes removing user codes and network configurations. It's crucial for fixing persistent connectivity issues or when transferring ownership. Be aware this will require you to repair all devices and re-enter any custom settings after the reset. Remove the batteries from the interior side of the lock. Locate the Schlage button on the interior side. Press and hold the Schlage button for 5 to 10 seconds until the lock beeps and the keypad flashes. Reinsert the batteries. The lock is now in setup mode, ready for repairing. This process clears all existing data. Before resetting your Schlage Encode Plus, check your Wi-Fi signal strength and ensure you're using the 2.4 GHz band, as it's required for the lock. Also, verify that your batteries have sufficient charge. After resetting, reconnect the lock to your Wi-Fi network using the Schlage Home app. Make sure you're running firmware version 1.7.4 from late 2025, which was designed to reduce offline issues. Open the Schlage Home app on your smartphone. Create a new Schlage account or log in to your existing account. Select the option to add a new device from the app menu. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code on the lock. Follow the app's prompts to connect the lock to your Wi-Fi network. During the process, you can also set up new access codes for the lock. If your Schlage Encode Plus has HomeKit integration issues, start by removing it from your HomeKit settings to clear any problematic connections. Next, perform the hardware reset as described earlier. Remove the batteries. Press and hold the Schlage button on the interior side for 5 to 10 seconds until you hear a beep and see the keypad flash. Then reinsert the batteries to enter setup mode. In the Schlage Home app, select your lock and choose the option to integrate with HomeKit. Follow the prompts to create or log into your Schlage account and scan the QR code on the lock for initial setup. During setup, ensure your iOS device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the lock. The Schlage Encode Plus supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, but make sure your device can connect to the same frequency the lock is using for stable integration. If you experience persistent HomeKit issues after re-adding, they might stem from Apple TV bridge problems. Ensure your Apple TV is set up as a home hub and try restarting it. Sometimes firmware updates can cause temporary incompatibilities that resolve after a restart. When troubleshooting your Schlage Encode Plus, start by double-checking your Wi-Fi password during setup to ensure it's entered correctly. Make sure your phone is connected to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi band, as the lock requires this frequency for stable connection. Avoid updating firmware through HomeKit, as this can cause integration failures and require a reset. If issues continue, visit Schlage's website for their support advisory, which provides guidance on specific error codes and solutions. Finally, verify your phone's compatibility. iOS devices typically work better than Android for the initial setup process. Following these troubleshooting steps can help resolve common issues and prevent mistakes during setup. When using your Schlage Encode Plus, always connect to a strong, secure Wi-Fi network using WPA3 encryption for maximum protection. Be cautious of potential IoT vulnerabilities by regularly updating your lock's firmware through the app. Future trends include biometric integration like fingerprint scanning and AI-driven diagnostics in apps for better troubleshooting. While smart locks provide convenience, always prioritize security to prevent unauthorized access. Consider smart locks with offline fallback modes for increased reliability during connectivity issues.